This is the type of air fryer I have. So I'll go ahead and place this meat on top of the wire guys. Then place it well. Turn on the switch. Okay, come on. I'm using the wrong switch. So because it's meat, I'll choose chicken now. 40 minutes, but trust me, it's not gonna stay up to 40 minutes. I want to reduce the minutes. Like 9 minutes or so. Okay, 10 minutes is fine. At how many degrees? 195 degrees Celsius. It's fine. Okay, thank you for coming and thank you for watching. So that's my meat in the air fryer while I wait for the rice to get cooked. Thank you guys. Thank you for coming online with me. Thank you for watching. Sorry. I want to show you my face and what see what I'm doing. See the rice. Actually don't need to be done in it, but I want to check if it's done. This is spiced rice with coconut milk. So I want to make shrimp coconut rice. Okay. So let me check if it's soft. If it's soft, we proceed. But if it's not soft, I'll wait for it a little bit. There's still water in it. Let the water dry up. So I'm ready. I think I need to add a little salt more. Chidimma. Chidimma. Alexander. Alexander. Oh, my light has gone off. Chidimma. Chidimma. Hey, my goodness. It's my girl. The so talk I do the talk. That is for you. How is his health now? It's fine. He's not sick again. He's getting better. Eh? Dad is getting better. Please, I want that to listen. The battery has fallen. While I'm waiting for this to be very much ready, I'll go ahead and fry the sauce a little bit. What did you buy? I don't know if I can use them for myself. You sure? Sure, then.